is melanoma. Melanoma is a serious form of skin cancer that begins in cells known as melanocytes. While it is less common than basal cell carcinoma and squamous cell carcinoma, melanoma is more dangerous because of its ability to spread to other organs and more rapidly if it is not treated on early stage. Melanoma fact: only 20 to 30% of melanomas are found in existing moles, while 70 to 80% arise on normal looking skin. What is melanocyte? Melanocytes are skin cells found in upper layer of skin. They produce a pigment known as melanin, which gives skin color. There are two types of melanin, aluminum and pheomelanin, which when skin is exposed to ultraviolet radiation from the sun or tanning beds, it causes skin damage that triggers the melanocytes to produce more melanin, but only the aluminum pigment attempts to protect the skin by causing the skin to darken or tan. Melanoma occurs when DNA damage from burning or tanning due to UV radiation triggers changes in the melanocytes, resulting in uncontrolled cellular growth. What does melanoma look like? Melanoma is present in many different shapes, size, and color. Melanoma most often appears on the face or the trunk of affected men. In women, this type of cancer most often develops on the lower legs. Melanin can affect people of any skin tone. In people with darker skin tones, melanoma tends to occur on the palms, soles, or under the fingernails. Melanoma may appear as a large brownish spot with darker speckles, a mole that changes in color, size, or feel, or that bleeds. A small lesion with irregular border and portions that appear red, pink, white, blue, or blue-black. A painful lesion that itches or burns. Dark lesion on or your palms, soles, fingertips, or toes, or on mucous membranes lining your mouth, nose, vagina, or anus. How dangerous is melanoma? Melanoma is usually curable when detected and treated early. Once melanoma is spread deeper into the skin or other parts of the body, it becomes more difficult to treat and can be easily deadly. The estimated 5-year survival rate for US patients whose melanoma is detected early is about 99%. An estimated 6,850 people will die of melanomas in US in 2020. How widespread is melanoma? An estimated 196,060 cases of melanoma will be diagnosed in US in 2020. Of those, 95,710 cases will be non-incisive and confined to the top layer of the skin. What are 4 types of melanoma of the skin? First type, superficial spreading melanoma. What you should know: this is most common form of melanoma, and it can arise in existing mole or appear as a new lesion. When it begins in a mole that is already on the skin, it tends to grow on the surface of the skin for some time before penetrating more deeply. While it can be found nearly anywhere on the body, it is most likely to appear on the torso in men and the legs in women and the upper back in both. It may appear as a flat or slightly raised and discolored, asymmetrical path. Colors include shades of tan, brown, red, pink, blue, or white. Lentigo maligna. This form of melanoma often develops in the older people. When this cancer becomes invasive or spreads beyond the original site, the site is known as lentigo maligna melanoma. This form of melanoma is similar to superficial spreading type. Growing close to the skin surface at first, the tumor typically arises on the sun-damaged skin on the face, ears, arms, or upper torso. It may look like a flat or slightly raised blotchy path with uneven borders. Color is usually blue-black, but can vary from tan to brown or dark brown. Acral lentiginous melanoma. This is most common form of melanoma found in people of color, including individuals of African ancestry. It often appears in odd to spots places, including under the nails and on the soles of the feet, palms of the hands. It may appear as a black or brown area. Nodular melanoma. This is the most aggressive type of melanoma. It accounts for 10 to 15% of all cases. The tumor grows deeper into the skin more rapidly than other types and is most frequently found on the torso, legs, and arms, as well as at the scalp in older men. It is usually invasive at the time it is first diagnosed. Nodular melanoma is often recognized as a bump on the skin, usually blue-black in color, but uncommonly can appear as a pink to red bump. Thank you.